Hello friends, we are from Gopaladu Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, pursuing our BTech 4th year in Electronics and Communication Engineering. We did a mini project on embedded web server using Arduino. This is the Arduino kit. The Arduino kit usually consists of 3 modules. The first module is basically Arduino, second module is Ethernet shield, third module is sensor shield. Now let us discuss briefly about all these 3. First one is Arduino board. Arduino board, it is nothing but basically an 8-bit microcontroller. It works on a principle of open source hardware. There are many types of Arduinos available in market. Some examples are Atmega 08, Atmega 328. Now in our experiment we are using Atmega 328. The features of Atmega 328 are the operating frequency is used here is 16 MHz. It even consists of one adapter. This is the adapter. It has an operating voltage of 8 volts. And it even consists of LAN cable port. The LAN cable port is useful for connecting the Arduino to laptop. And it even consists of flash memory of 32 KB. The flash memory is used to store the codes. It even consists of 13 digital pins and 6 analog pins. The digital pin 13 is useful for fast debugging. This is about our first module, that is Arduino. Now let us come to Ethernet shield. This is our second module, which is called as Ethernet shield. The Ethernet shield is useful for connecting the Arduino board to internet. The Ethernet shield consists of VISNet W5100 IC. It is useful for providing internet protocol IP. It supports up to 4 socket connections. It even consists of RJ45 connection. And one microslot SD is also provided, which is useful for storing files. It consists of one reset controller. This is nothing but the reset controller. The reset controller is useful for resetting the W5100 IC. Here only one among the W5100 and SD card will be active at a time. Since both of them will share the common SPI bus at a time, so only one will be active and the other won't be active. This is about the Ethernet shield. Now we will talk about the web server. The web server is nothing but it is the hardware or a software that delivers the web content. The primary function is to cater the web page to the request of client using HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is useful for transferring the hypertext. Now we will discuss briefly about the third module. The third module is nothing but the sensor shield. This is the third module. It is designed by our college GRIT and hence named as GRIT TCE sensor module, as labeled as shown here. The sensor module, it is useful for sensing the light intensity and temperature. It is mainly based on potentiometric difference. Now let us see what is potentiometric difference. It will be shown in the diagram. It consists of 2 resistors R1 and R2. This is R1 and this is R2. This R1 is fixed and we can't vary it. This is R2 is nothing but the LDR. LDR stands for light dependent resistor. Now here we will take the potentiometric difference. This basic circuit is known as the potential divider network. Now here if we focus the light here, see, as we focus the light here, then the value of the resistor varies. If the value of resistor varies, then the potentiometric voltage will be varying and that voltage will be shown on the laptop. See, now here the output will be in the form of analog. Output will be in analog form. So it has to be converted into digital form and it should be focused and it will be shown in the laptop. So here we use ADC. A to D converter is used here so that it will be transforming the analog output to digital output. And the output will be focused here. Now we see, here if we focus the light here, then the intensity of light will be measured and will be shown in the laptop. See, this is nothing but the ADC output for LDR. We focus the light here and the intensity of light is 453. It can even sense the temperature in degrees. Like temperature of the room will be sensed and will be shown here. Now the temperature is 26.86 and it is shown in the laptop. This is our project. Thank you.